Hi, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet. Here we do lifestyle kind of video, beauty, makeup, skincare, hair, reviews, hauls, fashion, you name it. So if it is the type of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, enjoy the family. I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. Thank you, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, we're going to be doing our Boxycharm Premium for January 2022. Super excited. This was a good box, many good amazing stuff here. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that for $27 you get the base box with 5 full-size beauty products, and for $37 you get the premium box with a 6 full-size amazing product, amazing brand. I'm gonna have the link down below for Boxycharm if you guys decide to check them out. So let's unbox this beauty here so this video doesn't get so long. And guys, I'm gonna show you guys and talk about each one of the products. I'm gonna put a little video here on one of my sides, show you guys how the product performs so you guys can see. All right, so let's do this. All right, so here is the Boxycharm Premium. So the first thing you got in the box is the little card, and this month theme is Better Beauty. All right, Better Beauty. So in the first product here is going to be the AUTHR Beauty. I think that's how you say. I don't know if that's how you say the name, but here is the palette, and that's what the palette will look like. Very beautiful. And we did use this palette to create a look, but it was other day because I'm filming this intro after I filmed that video. That day didn't work out. I had so much work that I couldn't finish filming the video intro. But 10 shades in ultra matte shimmer duochrome and metallic finish to create a gorgeous glowing look. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder to help improve your glow by illuminating the skin with its light reflective priorities. Formulate with organic coconut oil, shea butter, prickly pear seed oil, and moringa seed oil. This beauty here retails for $48, and this palette is a new launch. The palette is very beautiful. I love all the shades. They are very well pigmented. The only thing about this palette that I have to say is I wish I had a mirror, because when I have a palette and don't have a mirror, I have to have the palette here and hold the mirror. I just wish we have a mirror. But this super beautiful palette. Yeah, so this was product number 1 for January Premium Boxycharm. Product number 2 is going to be the BareMinerals Veil Loose Setting Powder, a skin improving, weightless, and talc-free mineral setting powder that extends makeup wear while blurring and minimizing appearance of pores over time. Love it. And this beauty here retails for $27, and this is the BareMinerals Veil powder, my scooping because we used, yes, but it's really nice, a very fine milled powder, so I was very happy with this powder. And the next product here is gonna be the Cover FX Custom Enhancer palette. The palette is super pretty. So here we have the box here, and we have the palette here. Let me just show you guys really quick. That's the palette. It's super pretty. Let's have a beautiful shimmery highlighters. Very nice, very pretty colors, very pigmented. This travel friendly palette features 3 best-selling shades of custom enhancer drop, now in talc-free pressed powder. At home or on the go, sweep all over your high points of your face to instantly illuminate your complexion. And this beauty here retails for $42. Okay, very beautiful palette, love it. It looks so beautiful on the skin. And the next product that we have here is gonna be LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Oh yeah, this primer is so good. And I love how the shape of the container is so pretty. This daily serum primer helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine through the day. For a seamless complexion with or without makeup, it's packed with skin ingredients for a guilt-free beauty that feels as good as fabulous. And this beauty here retails for $20. This feels so good on the skin. I really loved it. And it does have 5% of niacinamide plus AHA acid, or plus shiny control, is cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. Fabulous. And the next product here is gonna be Juicy Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I love this mask. Oh my god, I love it. I loved it. My skin was looking so beautiful after I finished using. This is the mask. And that's what it looks like. Your skin feels so beautiful after you're applying this mask. I really love the results. I was so happy with Juicy Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Clear and hydrate your skin at the same time. With this pore refining mask, helps protect against masking with bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay to help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliate, polyhydroxy acid for a softer, smooth complexion. Fabulous mask, and these retail for $36. Definitely well worth it. Love it. And the last but not least product here is going to be this Persona Cosmetic Lip Liner. Define and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner. Formulate with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cotton seed oil for effortless glide on application. Help to create the perfect canvas for a long-lasting lip color. Cruelty-free, paraffin-free, and vegan. And this beauty here retails for $14, and it's so beautiful. I love this shade so much. It is so pretty. That is the shade. Love it. And this was the last product for January Boxycharm Premium. I hope you guys enjoy, and I see you guys next video. Don't forget the link is gonna be down below for Boxycharm. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.